Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make a cool text under 2 minutes or basically very fast. So for that you have to open our browser and go to cooltext.com. In here you will find a lot of pre-made typography templates. You have to choose one. So once you have chosen one, you will have to type your text in here. So I'm going to type 5-minute solution. As you can see, the text is showing there. You can also choose text size, and here you can change color under logo. So you can choose gradient as well. Or you can not select gradient and select different type of color. And you can choose outline color as well. You can choose shadow type, and you can align the image as well, and you can choose the image size in here after turning off auto. So I'm gonna choose the default one, and I'm gonna select PNG with transparency. So you can add more logos into this. After that you just have to click on create logo, and you have to click on download. So you can see the cool typography is has been made and it has been downloaded. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.